Bonsai is an ancient and intricate art form that originated in China and was later refined and popularized in Japan. It involves the cultivation of miniature trees in containers, creating living artworks that evoke the essence of nature in a small, confined space. The art of bonsai requires patience, skill, and a deep understanding of horticulture and aesthetics. Here are some key aspects of the art of bonsai. Tree selection. Bonsai can be created from various tree species, each with its unique characteristics and requirements. Common bonsai tree species include junipers, pines, maples, ficus, and many others. The choice of tree depends on factors like climate, available space, and the artist's vision. Container choice. The container, known as the bonsai pot, is an integral part of the overall composition. Bonsai pots come in different shapes, sizes, and colors, and they should complement the tree's style and size. The pot's color and design should not distract from the beauty of the tree, but rather enhance its presentation. Pruning and training. Pruning and training are essential techniques in bonsai cultivation. Pruning helps shape the tree and encourages branching, while wiring allows the artist to bend and position branches to create the desired design. These techniques are used to mimic the appearance of mature trees in miniature form. Styling. Bonsai trees are styled according to recognized forms or styles, each with its characteristic shape and design principles. Common styles include formal upright, informal upright, slanting, cascading, and windswept, among others. The chosen style guides the tree's development and evokes a particular mood or natural landscape. Repotting. Bonsai trees need to be periodically repotted to ensure their health and continued growth. Repotting involves carefully removing the tree from its pot, trimming the roots, and placing it into a fresh bonsai soil mix. This process encourages root growth and refreshes the tree's access to nutrients. Patience and time. The art of bonsai is not a quick endeavor. It takes years, sometimes decades, to develop a mature and refined bonsai tree. Artists must be patient and attentive, allowing the tree to grow and mature over time while carefully guiding its development. Seasonal care. Bonsai trees require specific care depending on the season. Proper watering, fertilizing, and protection from extreme weather conditions are crucial to their well-being. Bonsai enthusiasts must be attuned to the changing needs of their trees throughout the year. Aesthetic principles. Bonsai artists follow certain aesthetic principles such as balance, harmony, proportion, and asymmetry. These principles guide the design and arrangement of the tree's branches, foliage, and overall composition. Connection with nature. Bonsai artists aim to capture the essence of nature in their miniature creations. The art of bonsai allows people to connect with nature on a deeper level and gain a greater appreciation for the beauty and resilience of trees. Continuous learning. Bonsai is a lifelong journey of learning and refinement. Bonsai artists continually seek knowledge, attend workshops, and study the work of other masters to improve their skills and deepen their understanding of the art. Bonsai is more than just a horticultural pursuit. It is a form of creative expression that requires dedication and passion. The result is a living masterpiece that evokes a sense of wonder and reverence for the beauty of nature in miniature form.